In today's fast-paced world, people want to feel sharper, stronger, and more in control without making extreme sacrifices. Whether you're chasing clarity at work, trying to stay balanced after a long night, or simply wanting to feel like your best self again, there's a growing demand for solutions that work in harmony with real life. That's where Mighty steps in. It's not about stopping your lifestyle, it's about supporting your body and mind to function at their full potential. If you've ever found yourself thinking, I don't want to quit, I just want to feel normal again, then Mighty's might be exactly what you need. Designed for those who still enjoy a drink now and then, but want to protect their energy, brain, mood, and long-term health. Mighty's is more than a supplement. It's a daily support system to help you bounce back, stay clear, and move forward, fully recharged. What is Mighty's? Mighty's is a doctor-formulated, plant-based daily supplement created specifically for people who enjoy drinking socially or moderately, but want to reduce the negative effects alcohol can have on their body and mind. It's not a hangover cure. It's a nutritional powerhouse designed to support recovery, clarity, energy, liver detox, and emotional balance. Whether you're cutting back on alcohol or just want to feel better without giving it up. This is for the conscious drinker who wants to feel like themselves again, stay sharp in the mornings, and keep stress under control. The formula combines essential nutrients like B1, B12, folate, and natural ingredients like NES, milk thistle, 5-HTP, ashwagandha, and DHM to restore balance where alcohol quietly causes disruption. It works at a cellular level to nourish your body back into alignment. How does Mighty's work? When you drink, even casually, your body begins to lose essential B vitamins, your serotonin levels drop, and your liver's detox pathways slow down. That's why even after 1 or 2 drinks, you may feel foggy, tired, or emotionally off. Mighty steps in where alcohol depletes. With a blend of clinically backed nutrients and adaptogens, Mighty's replenishes what alcohol silently drains from your system. It boosts energy by restoring B1 and B12. It supports liver detox with milk thistle and neck. It enhances your antioxidant response with DHM. And it helps your mood and stress balance with 5-HTP and ashwagandha. This means fewer sluggish mornings, better clarity, and more emotional control even if you continue drinking. By working through multiple pathways, detox, replenishment, mood regulation, and cellular defense, Mighty's offers a total body recovery solution for drinkers who want to protect their future health while still enjoying the present. Features and benefits of Mighty's. Mighty's is built with intention. Every ingredient is backed by clinical research and chosen for its effectiveness in countering the hidden effects of alcohol. The benefits are not surface level, they go deep. It restores essential B vitamins like B1, B12, and folate, which are crucial for cognitive function, energy metabolism, and mood stability. These vitamins often get depleted after just a few drinks, leaving you foggy and drained. The liver defense complex includes milk thistle and NAC, 2 powerful ingredients that support liver function, reduce inflammation, and enhance the body's natural detox systems. This isn't about flushing your system after a binge, it's about consistently protecting your organs so they can perform their job every day. Then there's the mind and mood support with ingredients like 5-HTP and ashwagandha. Mighty's helps maintain emotional balance, calm the nervous system, and improve sleep quality. This reduces mood swings, irritability, and the anxiety that sometimes follows even light drinking. Unlike other supplements that target only hangovers, Mighty's is built for the bigger picture, long-term health, daily performance, and inner balance. It's also fast-acting, 100% plant-based, non-GMO, and made in FDA-approved facilities under strict quality control. How to use Mighty's. Taking Mighty's is as simple as forming a healthy habit. Just take 1 dose daily with a glass of water, preferably in the morning or after your first meal. This consistent intake helps maintain nutrient levels in your body and supports ongoing recovery and detox functions. You don't need to change your entire lifestyle. You don't need to quit drinking. Just take your daily Mighty's and let the ingredients support your system while you live your life. Within the first week, many users report feeling more energized, clearer, and less foggy. Over time, the cumulative benefits become stronger, supporting liver health, brain function, and emotional resilience. For best results, daily use is key. This isn't a quick fix, it's a long-term support tool that strengthens your recovery pathways and helps you feel your best, even after a night out. Mighty's pros and cons. Every product has its strengths and its limitations, and Mighty's is no different, but its advantages are clear and heavily backed by real user experiences. One of the biggest pros is that it offers comprehensive support, not just for the liver, but for brain clarity, mood, energy, and recovery. Unlike other products that only help with a hangover, Mighty's targets the root causes of why you feel off after drinking. It's also made with plant-based ingredients, is fast-acting, and fits easily into any routine. Another major plus is its flexibility. It supports moderate drinkers just as well as those trying to cut back. No pressure, no judgment, just balance and support. On the downside, it's not a miracle solution. You still need to be mindful of your habits. If you're drinking heavily or dealing with serious health concerns, Mighty's isn't a substitute for professional help or medical treatment. Also, the full benefits are seen with consistent use over weeks, not instantly. But for those looking for a daily reset button, Mighty's offers a strong and science-backed way to feel like yourself again. Price and where to buy. Mighty's offers several pricing plans depending on your goals and level of commitment. The more you commit, the better the value. For those wanting to try it out, there's a 1-month supply available at $59. For more consistent results, the 2-month and 3-month plans are ideal, priced at $156 per month, respectively. For serious users, the 6-month plan offers the biggest discount, bringing it down to just $264 total. You can purchase Mighty's directly from their official website, which ensures that your transaction is secure and you're receiving the authentic product. Subscriptions are flexible. You can pause, change, or cancel at any time. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee if you don't feel a difference, so it's virtually risk-free. Mighty's. Conclusion. Mighty's is not just another supplement on the shelf. It's a powerful daily formula created for people who live life, enjoy a drink now and then, but still care deeply about their health, energy, and clarity. Instead of demanding sacrifice, Mighty's offers support. Instead of preaching abstinence, it offers balance. By restoring what alcohol silently strips away, Mighty's empowers you to wake up clear, energized, and emotionally steady without giving up the moments you enjoy. For anyone looking to reclaim their mornings, reduce stress, and stay sharp while still living life on their terms, Mighty's is more than a good option. It's a smart decision. This is your path to bounce back, feel clear, and take control. 1 capsule a day, 1 powerful shift. This is Mighty's.